The grid power is disconnected and the inverter fails to switch to off-grid mode. Alarm 12077 or 22077 off-grid output overload is generated. Solution: turn off the switches of some high-power backup loads. If the fault is cleared, the backup loads are excessive and should be reduced. You are advised to connect loads with large inrush current to the non-backup load port. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance between phases of backup loads.